Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a few different hairstyles and hair tips I personally use to protect my hair while I sleep. Wearing protective hairstyles to bed is really important to prevent breakage and split ends, especially if you have long hair or you're trying to grow your hair out long. I would personally never just wear my hair down to bed because I would wake up with so many mats and tangles and it just wouldn't be a good hair day. When you toss and turn at night, the friction can really damage the hair. Plus, wearing protective hairstyles to bed is awesome because you'll wake up with nice hair, so you hopefully won't need to style it a lot and use a lot of heat tools, which will benefit the overall health of your hair and save you some time. So I always start by brushing my hair out before bed. I usually use a detangler brush first and then my wooden brush to distribute the oils and really massage the scalp. You want your hair to be detangled before you go to bed so you don't have to wake up and brush out a bunch of knots. Plus, brushing your scalp will help stimulate blood circulation, which will promote healthy hair growth. So it's a really good practice to add into your nightly routine. So the first hairstyle I would recommend wearing to bed is of course a braid. I love braids if you can't already tell. I like to wear just a regular loose braid tied off with a soft tie like a scrunchie, and I recently started using these coils and I really love them because they don't leave any kinks in the hair. If you sleep on your back, I recommend putting your hair in a side braid so it doesn't rub. And if you sleep on your side, I recommend wearing a braid to the back or to the opposite side so it doesn't rub. And I also like to put a dab of a nourishing oil in the ends and just let that soak in while I sleep. So braids are a wonderful hairstyle to wear while you sleep. However, they will more than likely leave a wave or a crimp in your hair. So if you're wanting to prevent your hair from having waves, I have more options for you. A hairstyle that's kind of similar to the braid is the twisted rope braid, and this is really great for sleeping and I find it doesn't leave my hair too wavy. All you do is divide your hair into two sections and twist those sections in the same direction and then twist them around each other in the opposite direction. I hope I'm explaining that all right. It's a really easy hairstyle to do.